Hi everyone, welcome to week 15 of English 101 IN5. Totally crazy. We only have 3 weeks left, including this week. If you're wondering why I have this bottle of ketchup right here, because you guessed it, this week is ketchup week. Not that we're going to be spreading ketchup on burgers, but I wanted to kind of offer you guys this week to get caught up, to get a little done if you haven't finished some of our assignments previously, or if you are all caught up, just the chance to take a breather and relax a little bit before the last final push of our semester. So there are only 2 things I'd like you to do this week: a very short and sweet attendance quiz, which, remember, those points count towards extra credit, so you can do them, and a discussion board post just asking you to kind of reflect on yourself as a writer this semester, yourself as a student, and the 2 essays you might include in your portfolio. So if you haven't already, make sure that you look again at the essay 5 assignment sheet for a final assignment and take this week to get caught up with anything that you need the extra time to complete. You're welcome to go back and revise previous essays or to catch up on discussion board posts, attendance quizzes. Any of that is fair game. So just take a quick attendance quiz for this week, discussion board, get caught up with what you have in other courses or in my course, and in general, just take a deep breath because we are almost done and we'll be done very soon. So just remember, take some time to catch up, and I will see you online.